Well, so the dad went to use this thing a few days ago, put some gas in it, and couldn't get it to start. Well, it would start, but it would just bog out very quickly. It's actually not wanting to start at all now. Anyways, I already know what's wrong with it. Unfortunately, he put the wrong gas in it. He put mixed gas out of this container, which was easy to do because it said Weedeater on it, or the other one did. So what I'm going to do is dump all the gas out of this thing back into the container, and then we'll flush out the carburetor, put some fresh gas in it, and it should start. We're also going to check the spark plug because it's very possible that could be fouled up. That's not a hard fix either. So we'll see what we can do. And we'll cycle the bulb a few more times. We can hear that the fuel is now mostly out of the bulb. Let's put some fresh gas in it and inspect that spark plug. So of course on these models, these are actually Honda engines that Husqvarna put in these string trimmers. But in order to get to the spark plug, you have to use a hex key to take this bolt off. And we're just gonna slide this up out of the way. Off. Should be able to come off. There we go. A little bit better of a look at everything. Should be a standard 5/8 size socket. Actually not bad. So it's not fouled up. A little bit of carbon buildup on it, but nothing that's not normal. The excess stuff, whatever's on there, will burn off once we get fresh gas in it. But I'm happy with how this plug looks, so I'm just gonna put it back in. And we're just gonna give it a quick tighten. Boot back on, and of course throw the cover back on. Let's see if we can get it to start. Full choke. And I'm happy with that. While we're here, might as well check the air filter. Probably due to replace this, but we'll be okay for now. It's actually not dirty at all, it's just old. But I'm gonna go put this thing over on the ground, run it for a bit, and come back once it's all nice and warmed up. Sure purrs like a kitten. We have not had a lick of trouble out of this thing, at least that wasn't, user error like just now. No reason to get rid of it. Thing's really powerful. So I'm just gonna let it run for a few minutes, and then we'll rev it up and see how it does. Should be fine. Works perfectly fine. Saved him about $100 service call to go drop this thing off at one of the small engine stores in town. So pretty easy fix.